look at how to create a QR code. So QR code, name it QR code. So QR code, and how do we do that? You go to your headings, show you at home, you click on headings, you click on QR office. So QR office, if you are not in headed, you look for QR for office, and that is what, and you can just put anything in terms of websites and say do. So it just enlarges, and you just enlarge the QR code, and you insert, and at the end of the day you can't, so make it wider than the QR code. But for barcode is quite different. For barcode, you might need to do some things, but this might not be that effective because we don't actually have any product. So you can say that it needs a unique identifier in terms of numbers, and so I will just come here and tell Excel that okay, create for me what is called a round between normally your so-called barcode must have 12 digits, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I close my bracket and I hit enter. So I can just say okay, I can do command 1 and say what kind of number. It's showing like a number. I want it as a text, showing like a text. I want it as a number. If I want to format it, whatever I want to do. So I can drag down and I have various numbers. So the next thing I will do now is to now generate but before I go ahead, I will now say equals to double quotation, bracket open. I also have the quotes, and I have what is called an alpha sign, your shift, and that symbol give you an alpha sign. Then this, then I have an alpha sign again, and I have double quotes, and I close with also a double quote, and I hit enter. So it gives me this. Then I drag down. Immediately I drag down, I can now create my QR code. But before I can create a barcode, I have to ensure that so there are some add-ins that can create it directly for you, but I just decided to just go ahead and create mine. So equal to, I don't have to say equal to anything, it's just to, okay, I will just say equal to this, and I come to my fonts. I must have a particular font to be able to do this. There's a particular font, and I'm not supposed to use equal to. So it won't actually work. So what I will do is to, since I have this, I'll just click on this. I have it, and I'll just look for this ID automation LC39M free version. ID automation. I will download this first. So if I hit on it, it turns into a QR code. If I double tap, or if I just drag down, every other thing turns to a QR code, to a barcode, sorry. So but when you scan this, scan it with a normal camera, it will not show you any information because it is not actually linked to any product. So most times before you want to get something linked, it's better to use what is called a UPC 12 digits to register your products on Google and other websites that is approved by UPC. So that being it has a product information, you'll be able to see it, and that is how it also works. That is how it works. Basically, that is how it works for a barcode and a QR code. They are quite different. Also, QR code works with 12 digits of numbers, while a, a barcode works with 12 digit number. A QR code, in the other sense, work with a URL, which is in the URL, you insert and you scan. That's how it works basically. And so, and very, good and interesting thing to actually, have to be done basically. When is looking at various things to be done. So that is very important for one to do. Yes, very important. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me.